In 1960, Soviet scientists discussed an idea that still sounds controversial today. What if humans could control nature itself? This concept was published in the magazine Science and Life, Issue 1, year 1960. The article explored scientific control of climate, landscapes, and natural processes to improve human life. At that time, these ideas were purely theoretical. Technology was limited. The risks were unknown. Today, the conversation has returned. Climate engineering, environmental monitoring, and large-scale ecological technologies are actively being developed. The questions remain complex, but the vision is familiar. The Soviet future didn't disappear. It simply arrived later.